Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to remove SIM pin from SIM card on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll down to the biometrics and security. Here you should scroll down to the other security settings, and here you'll see the setup SIM card lock. Now just as can you see, our SIM card is locked with a SIM pin, and just to remove SIM pin code you should click here once on the switcher, and here just enter your current SIM pin code. In my case that's from 1 to 4, then just click here to OK, and as can you see we just successfully removed the pin code from our device SIM card. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.